Understanding Crypto Unconfirmed Transactions, Causes, and Solutions. Welcome to Local Traders Peer-to-Peer Crypto Exchange. Today, we're exploring unconfirmed transactions in cryptocurrency, why they happen, and how to fix them. When you send cryptocurrency, it doesn't reach the recipient instantly. Instead, it enters a waiting area called the mempool, where transactions wait to be confirmed by miners. Until a miner includes it in a block, the transaction remains unconfirmed, meaning the funds are neither fully sent nor received. Now, let's look at the main reasons why transactions get stuck. First, network congestion. When too many transactions are happening at once, the network becomes overloaded. Miners prioritize transactions with higher fees, leaving lower fee transactions waiting. Think of it like a bakery where the seller serves customers willing to pay more first. Second, low transaction fees. Miners earn rewards from transaction fees. If your fee is too low, it may be ignored in favor of higher paying transactions. Third, block size limits. Some blockchains, like Bitcoin, have a limit on the number of transactions that can fit into a single block. When this limit is reached, remaining transactions must wait for the next available block. Fourth, double spending protection. If the network detects a possible attempt to spend the same funds twice, it may delay confirmation to ensure the transaction is valid. If your transaction is stuck, here's what you can do. First, increase the transaction fee. Some wallets offer a replace by fee or RBF feature, allowing you to resend the transaction with a higher fee. Second, use a transaction accelerator. Some services can push your transaction to miners for faster processing. Third, wait it out. If the network is congested, your transaction will likely confirm once activity slows down. Finally, contact support. If you're using a local trader's wallet and need help, our team is available to assist you. Unconfirmed transactions can be frustrating, but they are usually temporary. By understanding how they work and knowing the solutions, you can navigate the crypto space with confidence. For more expert tips, visit our blog or reach out to our support team. Stay informed, trade smart, and keep your crypto secure with Local Traders Peer-to-Peer Crypto Exchange.